How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Ginny Arts. I'm Ginny, and today I'm once again doing a bit of a different video. Last week I mentioned that I will do a video explaining my new ideas to this channel, so I thought why not do it while tattooing a realistic feather onto some fake skin. But before I do that, if you hear any background noises, that's probably just my neighbors. They started making noise as soon as I started recording, so yeah, I will try to edit it out, but if you end up hearing a bit of it, I'm sorry. Anyway, the first thing I want to talk about is realism drawings. Lately, I've been feeling like I don't make much progress with this style, and that can be quite demotivating. I realized that the reason why my work is not progressing is because this style takes time, and having to put out one drawing every week plus editing it makes me rush through the whole drawing process, which results in lower quality. So to do something about this, I decided to take more time on realism art, practice the fundamentals, and maybe do bigger projects. I'm also considering hiring an art teacher to help me speed up this whole improving process. Now, you may ask, does this mean that I'll stop uploading once every week? No. Since I'm also learning how to tattoo, I need to practice and draw designs regularly, so I decided to share this process with you guys. Also, since this takes a bit less time than realism art, I will be able to focus more on the quality of my videos. I may also start uploading more often, and I will work on different series, challenges, and of course, I will document the process of improving my realism art. And as for uploading realism drawings, I will continue to do it, just not as often, but you will get to see me draw more creative designs in different styles. You will also get to see my tattooing journey. You can also expect more tutorials, fun challenges, and many more amusing and helpful videos. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. If you made this far, please leave a like on this video, subscribe so that you don't miss any new videos, and again, thank you so much for watching. That means so much to me. I'll meet you guys next week, and for now, I hope you enjoy my quick tattooing video.